A hungry fox was walking past a vineyard when he saw some ripe, juicy grapes hanging from a vine. They looked so delicious. The fox jumped high to grab them but couldn't reach them, no matter how hard he tried. Tired and frustrated, the fox walked away, grumbling, "Those grapes are probably sour anyway." But deep down, he knew he had just given up too quickly. Moral of the story: don't make excuses when something is hard. Keep trying.
Would you believe this entire story video was created with just one click? Yes, that's true. There's an AI tool called VideoTalk that can create complete videos using AI automatically. First, we need a story. For this tutorial, we'll keep it short, but I recommend you create longer videos for better performance. Open ChatGPT and ask it to generate a short kids story. Another option is to search for stories online. There are countless websites filled with them. Personally, I prefer human-written stories for that natural feel. Copy the story you like and let's move on. Now go to videotalk.app and click on Create a Video. You'll see several powerful features. You can create regular videos, UGC videos, talking avatars, custom characters, build your brand, or even clone your voice. Click on Create New Video. Now, you'll see two options: either create a fully automated AI video, or start with an empty editor. Let's go with the fully automated AI video for now, and I'll also show you the editor inside. Here, you can describe the video, and VideoTalk's AI will write the script for you, or you can enter your own script. You can upload your own audio file, but the text-to-speech quality is amazing, so we're using our own script with their built-in voices. Next, choose the aspect ratio. 9:16 for shorts, or 16:9 for long-form videos. If you set up a custom avatar, you can enable it here. It will automatically use your avatar in the video, like the ones you see on YouTube channels that always feature the same character in every video. Then, choose a media style. You can go with static images, where only the pictures change, or go for animated scenes, where AI-generated videos bring your story to life. These scenes use powerful tools like Kling AI and Minimax Hailuo. You can also select real images or stock videos, but for an animated story, Kling works perfectly. Now choose a visual style. For kids' stories, styles like Pixar, 3D cartoon, or 3D caricature work great. You can also disable audio narration if you want just music and sound effects. Then pick your language, and finally, select one of their high-quality voices. Some of the best AI voices are available here.
Hey, welcome to VideoTalk. Hope you like.
Hey, welcome to VideoTalk. Hope you like the platform and share it with your friends.
Hey, welcome to Video.
Hey, welcome to VideoTalk. Hey, welcome to Video.
Hey, welcome to VideoTalk.
Hey, I'm
Hey, welcome to Video.
Hey, I'm VideoTalk. Hope you like the platform and feel free to share it with your.
Hey, welcome to VideoTalk. Hope you like the platform.
Once everything is ready, hit Generate. You'll now see a script preview. If it looks good, click Next. The AI is now generating prompts. You'll be taken to a storyboard with all the visual prompts for each scene, and yes, you can tweak any of them manually. Now, click Create Video. It might take a few minutes, but once done, your full video will be ready. Once it's generated, a complete video editor opens up.
A hungry fox was walking past a vineyard when.
Although the video is fully ready to export, I want to show you this powerful editor in action. First, there's the media section. Here you'll see all the video clips that were generated and included in your project. At the bottom, you can generate new images or switch to video mode. In the Models tab, you'll find cutting-edge AI video generators like Kling, Hailuo, and even VEO2 and VEO3. That means you can make absolutely stunning videos even from scratch. Then, there's the Captions section. You'll find tons of caption styles and templates. The AI automatically adds captions to your video. Next is the Text, and then Voice section, where you can generate new AI voices, or enhance the existing ones. You also get access to a large collection of copyright-free background music, which is perfect for any style of content. Then comes the SFX, all the essential and popular sound effects to help you create legendary videos. And finally, my favorite feature. Select whether you're creating a reel or a YouTube video, and hit generate. VideoTalk automatically writes a perfect title, a short, compelling description, key points for the YouTube algorithm, an engagement question to drive more comments, and even SEO-optimized tags, all formatted with commas so you can copy and paste directly into YouTube tags. At this point, nothing can stop your video from going viral. Once everything looks great, click Export. This exports the video, but doesn't download it yet. To download, go to Notifications and click Download. If you check the file size, it's 130 megabytes for a 30-second video. That means this is Ultra HD 4K quality.
A hungry fox was walking past a vineyard when he saw some ripe, juicy grapes hanging from a vine. They looked so delicious. The fox jumped high to grab them but couldn't reach them, no matter how hard he tried. Tired and frustrated, the fox walked away, grumbling, "Those grapes are probably sour anyway." But deep down, he knew he had just given up too quickly. Moral of the story: don't make excuses when something is hard. Keep trying.